Welcome to Eagle Complete course. Besides learning the Eagle software, we will also learn about another Autodesk software called Fusion 360. We can use this software along with the Autodesk Eagle in order to show the 3D design of our PCB. Fusion 360 is a cloud-based CAD or CAM tool for collaborative product development. The tools in Fusion enable exploration and iteration on product ideas and collaboration within a product development team. Fusion 360 enables fast and easy exploration of design ideas with an integrated concept to production toolset. Fusion lets you focus on the form, function, and fabrication of your products. Use the sculpting tools to explore form and modeling tools to create finishing features. These tools let you quickly iterate on design ideas. Once you have settled on a design, you can create assemblies to validate fit and motion in your design, or create photorealistic rendering to verify the appearance. Finally, you need to fabricate your design. Use the 3D print workflows to create a rapid prototype or the CAM workspace to create tool paths to machine your components. Using Fusion 360, we can push the PCB design we made in the Eagle's layout editor and see the 3D design to ease the process of designing the prototype. We will learn about Fusion 360 further in the next video.